Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook short ribs on the stove. First, let's get those ribs beautifully seared. Pat them dry with paper towels. This is key for a golden brown crust. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a sturdy pot over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, carefully place the ribs in, searing them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're deeply browned. This step locks in incredible flavor before we braise them. Now, let's build a rich flavor base. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks to the same pot. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and soft. Next, pour in 1 cup of red wine to deglaze the pot, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Let the wine reduce by half, which should take around 3 to 5 minutes, concentrating its flavor. It's time for the magic of braising. Return your seared short ribs to the pot. Pour in 4 cups of rich beef broth, then add 2 sprigs of fresh thyme and 1 bay leaf for aromatic depth. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly and let it cook slowly for 2.5 to 3 hours until the ribs are incredibly tender and falling off the bone. Finally, let's finish these magnificent short ribs. Carefully remove the tender ribs from the pot and set them aside. Skim off any excess fat from the braising liquid. This makes for a cleaner, richer sauce. Increase the heat to medium-high and reduce the sauce until it thickens slightly, about 10 to 15 minutes. Spoon this luxurious, concentrated sauce over your perfectly cooked short ribs and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.